I'm here today to talk about Daxxify, which is the newest product available by Revance, and it is a neuromodulator like other neuromodulators, botulinum toxin type A. It's supposed to last longer than either Botox or Dysport, and we're trying it out here at Morpheus. Manufacturers are really clear that you are not supposed to, or quote, cannot convert between one unit and another, between products. We in the industry, and especially here at Morpheus, have determined by trying it out that 3 units of Dysport is pretty close to 1 unit of Botox, and so we price the Dysport at about 1/3. And Daxxify is about 2 units of Daxxify to 1 unit of Botox. If you would like to try out Daxxify, which is supposed to last longer than either Botox or Dysport, come on in and get 2 syringes of an RHA filler. So call today, make an appointment. We would love to have you check it out. Hi, full disclosure, I'm being driven crazy by this gray in my hair, and I'm just gonna go like this so you can't see it. Hi, who's heard of Daxxify? It's the newest of the botulinum toxin type